Hey guys, Mark Brown here, Kriete Truck Center, Madison, 608-642-0172. Today here we're walking around one of our 2022 Volvo VNL64T760s. This truck is equipped with the Volvo D13 and I-Shift 12-speed transmission. This truck has just been through our shop, inspected, serviced, and is ready to go. This truck does come with our 90-day, 25,000-mile warranty. If you have any questions, give me a call or stop on in the Kriete Truck Center, Madison today to check out this unit or many more that we have available. Also, make sure to check out our website, KrieteTrucks.com, to see a full list of our inventory. If there's anything at any of our 10 locations you're interested in, let me know. I'd be glad to help you. Have a great day.